Hi friends, welcome to my channel Monjurul English. First of all, my sincere greeting, respect and salutation to everyone. I hope you all are fine. I am also well. Today, I am telling you about good nature. Friends, nature is very important part of our life, and nature is nature is a beautiful creation of God, and nature help us in different way to save us, my dear friends. Not only that, we are healthy for nature. That's why that's why we should take care everything that that is in nature, my dear friends. And you can see how beautiful is nature. You can see, actually friends, from nature we will get many things. For example, the sun, moon, and rain, water, hill, and river, and ocean, and good weather, and animal, birds, everything. That's why we are healthy for nature, my dear friends. Okay, friends. So far today, I will come back again with a new video in front of you. Until then, stay healthy, stay well, take care, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching my video.